Welcome to Shared Contacts YouTube channel. I'm Romy, and today we are going to discover the benefits of admin install in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Google Workspace Marketplace offers a wealth of applications that integrate with your Gmail, Drive, or calendar to make your life so much easier. First of all, let's understand the difference between individual and admin install. Individual install authorizes the application to work only on the account of the person who is installing it, which can be suitable for apps that do not require any collaboration or sharing. Admin install installs the application automatically for all the users of the domains or a subset chosen by the administrator. Google Workspace is a collaborative suite, so individual installs limits your teamwork and deprives you of most of the sharing features offered by the marketplace. The admin install saves you a lot of time as an administrator. Your users don't need to sign up individually to each application, which could be tedious for large organizations. You can enjoy fully all the collaborative features of the application you install. Indeed, applications require access to some of your domain data, like your user directory, your groups, etc., that can be accessed only with an administrator install. You can also prevent some users to use the application by restricting the installation to the sub-organizations of your choice. To install a marketplace app at the domain level, sign in with your super admin Google Workspace account. Go to the Google Marketplace, find the application of your choice, click on Admin Install. When you authorize access, you can choose for which of your organization the apps will be installed. To manage your installation, log on to your Google Workspace Admin Console, go to Apps, Google Workspace Marketplace. You will see all the apps you have installed. You can navigate your organization unit to know the status of each app. To manage the app for a specific organization, click on the app of your choice, then view organizational units and groups. You will be able, for instance, to revoke access of the app to a specific category of people. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be updated with our new tutorials.